Welcome. Ever wondered how we can reduce massive amounts of carbon dioxide emissions? We're diving into the fascinating process of carbon capture and storage, or CCS. As the world grapples with climate change, carbon capture and storage is emerging as a critical tool in our mitigation efforts. At its core, CCS is a three-step process, capturing carbon dioxide, transporting it, and finally, safely storing it deep underground. The main goal of CCS is clear: to prevent large volumes of CO2, a major greenhouse gas, from entering the atmosphere and contributing to global warming. The journey begins with the capture phase, where CO2 is separated from other gases produced during industrial processes. This capture often takes place at large point sources like coal or gas-fired power plants, cement factories, or steel mills before the emissions leave the stack. There are several technologies for capture, including post-combustion, where CO2 is filtered out after fuel burning, pre-combustion, and oxy-fuel combustion, using pure oxygen. Once captured, the CO2 needs to be moved from the source to the storage site. This is the transport phase. Typically, CO2 is transported via specially built pipelines, similar to how natural gas is moved, or by ships for longer distances. To maximize efficiency and volume during transport, the captured carbon dioxide is often converted into a dense, liquid-like state under high pressure. The final and perhaps most crucial step is the storage phase, ensuring the CO2 is permanently removed from the atmosphere. The CO2 is injected deep beneath the Earth's surface, typically at depths of 1 kilometer or more, into porous rock formations. These geological formations include deep saline aquifers and depleted oil and gas reservoirs, which have impermeable caprocks to ensure permanent containment. Rigorous monitoring is essential to track the CO2 plume and confirm that the captured gas remains securely stored over thousands of years. So that's a quick overview of how carbon capture and storage works, a technology working to secure a more sustainable future for our planet. CCS is not the only solution, but it is a critical tool for decarbonizing hard-to-abate industries and helping the world reach net zero emissions targets. As technology advances, CCS will become more efficient and cost-effective, playing an ever larger role in our global climate mitigation strategy.